Hello everybody, today let's see how to make rice crisp. It is a wonderful tea time snack, so let's get started. Pour about 1.5 cups of and bring it to a boil. Add half teaspoon of salt in it. Once the water starts to boil, add 1 cup of rice flour into the water. Reduce the flame and start stirring it. Allow it to come to a dough consistency. Now we will go ahead and switch off the flame and allow the mixture to come to a room temperature. Now our batter has come to a room temperature. Let us transfer it in another bowl and start kneading the dough. Our rice dough is ready. Let us go ahead and make rice chips or rice crisp out of it. Now once the dough is completely ready, take a section of the dough. If you feel that it is a little too sticky, you can add little more rice flour and make it into a dough. Now take a flat surface, dust some rice flour. You can use a cookie cutter and cut the shape of your choice. What I am going to do is I'm going to make a lovely shape with this. I'm just going to press it one, get something like this. The chips are ready. We will go ahead and deep fry them. To deep fry, I am using coconut oil. You can use oil, any cooking oil would be fine. For me, coconut oil will give a very good flavor. Oil becomes hot. Just check by adding a small piece of dough. If it raises up, that means the dough is hot. Yeah, now we will just reduce the flame. Just before it starts to become golden brown, we need to take it out. Serve rice chips with a hot cup of tea. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for all your comments and feedback on the videos. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, like and comment. Also do let me know what changes do I need to make while creating the recipes, and also give your suggestions in the comment box so that I can make more recipes for you. Well friends, thank you so much for watching VeenasKitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.